They hide the truth. We decode the system.
For centuries, the moon has been one of the most familiar objects in our sky. Every night, it rises above Earth, glowing softly as sunlight reflects off its surface. But there is something strange about our moon that many people don't realize. We only ever see one side of it. The same face of the moon has been staring back at Earth for thousands of years. The reason is something called tidal locking. Over millions of years, the moon's rotation slowed until its spin became perfectly synchronized with its orbit around Earth. As a result, one hemisphere always faces our planet, while the other side remains permanently turned away. This hidden hemisphere is often called the dark side of the moon. But the name is a little misleading. The far side of the moon isn't actually dark. It receives just as much sunlight as the side we see. What makes it mysterious is simply this. For most of human history, no one had ever seen it. That changed in 1959, when the Soviet spacecraft Luna 3 became the first mission to photograph the far side of the moon. The images shocked scientists. The hidden side looked completely different. The moon's near side, the one we see from Earth, contains large dark plains called Lunar Maria, formed by ancient volcanic activity. But the far side was almost entirely covered in craters. Huge impact scars stretched across its surface, with very few smooth plains. Even today, scientists are still trying to fully understand why the two sides of the moon are so different. One explanation involves the moon's early history. When the moon formed billions of years ago, its interior may have been unevenly heated. The side facing Earth could have remained warmer for longer, allowing volcanic lava to flow more easily and create the smooth plains we see today. Meanwhile, the far side cooled faster, preserving the scars of countless asteroid impacts. But the far side of the moon still holds many mysteries. Because it faces away from Earth, it is completely shielded from our planet's radio signals. This makes it one of the quietest places in the inner solar system, an ideal location for future radio telescopes searching for faint signals from the early universe. In fact, space agencies are now planning missions to explore this hidden world more closely. One such mission is China 4, which became the first spacecraft to successfully land on the far side of the moon in 2019. Its instruments are helping scientists study the moon's geology and search for clues about how the moon, and possibly even Earth, formed. What was once a completely hidden world is slowly revealing its secrets. But the far side of the moon remains one of the most unexplored places near our planet. And even after decades of space exploration, it still reminds us of something fascinating. Sometimes the most mysterious places in the universe are not far away at all. They're right next door.
Stay curious, stay dangerous. Share, like, and subscribe.